Hey everyone, it's Carol from scrapmonster.com. Welcome to this week's scrap metal price update covering February 16th to February 23rd, 2025. Let's dive into the latest price trends for copper, brass, aluminum, stainless steel, steel, lead, and zinc. If you're in the scrap business, stick around to maximize your profits. Copper prices saw a 1.63% increase overall. Number one, copper bare bright rose by 1.59%, closing at $4.37 per pound. Number one, copper wiring tubing climbed to $4.37 per pound, up by 1.63%. Number two, copper wiring tubing increased by 7 cents, finishing the week at $4.27 per pound. Brass scrap prices increased by 1.62%. Red brass jumped to $2.59 per pound, and yellow brass rose 1.67%, finishing at $2.44 per pound. Check out the price movements in the brass market on the charts. Aluminum scrap prices declined slightly by 0.41%. EC aluminum wire fell 1.65%, ending the week at $1.19 per pound. 6063 extrusions, old cast, and UBC remained unchanged. For stainless steel, the price of 304 stainless steel solids increased 1.61%, ending the week at 63 cents per pound. Steel scrap prices surged across multiple categories. Number one, HMS climbed 5.71%, closing at $370 per metric ton. Shredded auto scrap rose 4.94% to $425 per metric ton. HMS 8020 increased by 7.14%, ending at $300 per metric ton. Number one, busheling led the gains, jumping 7.23% to $450 per metric ton. A strong week for steel. See the full price shifts in the charts. No changes in scrap auto batteries for lead prices. Prices remain steady at 22 cents per pound. The stability in lead prices is shown in the charts. Zinc prices dipped this week. New zinc die cast fell 1.33% to 74 cents per pound. Old zinc die cast dropped 1.59%, closing at 62 cents per pound. That's a wrap for this week's scrap metal price update. To stay ahead of the market, visit scrapmonster.com for daily scrap metal prices, industry news, and our B2B marketplace. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for weekly updates. See you next Friday, and happy scrapping. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.